Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to tally forms for customer surveys in dropshipping step by step clearly. On the homepage, locate the sign up option. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password to ensure your account's security. After completing the form, click on the sign up button. You may receive a confirmation email after registration. Check your inbox for the email from Tally. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your account is verified, log into your Tally account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard once logged in. Look for the option to create a new form. Click on the Create Form button to start designing your customer survey. Use the drag and drop features to add question types relevant to your survey. Customize the form's appearance by choosing a theme and layout that fits your brand. Once you complete the survey design, click on the Publish button to make your form live. To share the form, copy the link provided after publishing. Now, go to your dropshipping platform. Log in and navigate to your store settings. Find the section for customer feedback or surveys. Paste the Tally form link where customers can access it easily. Consider sending out email newsletters containing the survey link to your customer base. Promote your survey through social media platforms to maximize responses. Review the responses periodically to gather valuable insights. Use the data collected to enhance your dropshipping strategy. The Tally form subscription process will help streamline your customer feedback efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.